Your IKEA Rodret smart switch or hub suddenly stops responding, disconnects from smart devices, or refuses to pair with lights anymore. Sometimes the controls freeze completely, while other times the hub keeps blinking without reconnecting properly. These kinds of problems are usually caused by pairing conflicts, software glitches, failed updates, or communication errors between the hub and connected smart devices rather than hardware failure. In many situations, a hard reset clears the stored settings and restores normal functionality. Before replacing the smart switch or rebuilding your entire setup, these are the steps you can try to fix this and hard reset the IKEA Rodret system correctly. 1. Disconnect the IKEA Smart Hub or switch from power completely. 2. Locate the small reset button on the device carefully. 3. Press and hold the reset button while reconnecting power. 4. Continue holding until the indicator light changes or begins flashing rapidly. 5. Release the reset button and allow the device to restart fully. 6. Open the smart home app and begin the pairing process again. 7. Reconnect your smart lights or accessories after the reset completes.